Now let's discuss about Uttarakhand. So first of all we should know that where is Uttarakhand in the map. So this red color portion, this is Uttarakhand, okay? And this is the traditional outfit of the people of Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is known for the Garhwal and Kumaon hills. So this is the division of Uttarakhand. Here this orange part, this is Kumaon division, okay? And this yellow part, this is Garhwal division, okay? Mussoorie, Nainital and Ranikhet are the popular hill stations. Dehradun is the state capital. So Dehradun is the capital of Uttarakhand. The most important occupation is farming. Haridwar, Kedarnath, Badrinath, Gangotri and Yamunotri are popular religious places that attract thousands of Indians and even foreigners to this state. So the most important occupation of the people of Uttarakhand is farming, and these all they are very popular religious places of Uttarakhand. Okay. So now let's do these two MCQs. Your first one is Vular Lake is situated in. Options are Jammu and Kashmir, Sikkim, Uttarakhand, Meghalaya, and the correct answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Your second MCQ is Garhwal and Kumaon hills. They are situated in Mizoram, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Sikkim. Right now only we have studied that these two hills are situated in Uttarakhand. Now let's study about Sikkim. So where is Sikkim in the map? Sikkim is here. The red one portion is Sikkim. And this is the traditional outfit of the people of Sikkim. Sikkim, with its capital at Gangtok, is a small state. People of this state belong to three tribes: Lepcha, Bhutia and Nepali. So a tribe is a group of people, often of related families, who live in the same area and they share the same language, culture and history. So Sikkim, they have three tribes: Lepcha, Bhutia and Nepali. Their clothes depend on the tribe to which they belong. However, men and women wear colorful costumes and women love to wear jewelry made of gold and beads. Orchids grow here in abundance, and the high mountains and deep river valleys enhance the beauty of the state. So orchids are plants with beautifully colored flowers and that have an unusual shape. And abundance means in a large quantity. So these type of orchids, they grow in large quantity in Sikkim. So now let's study about West Bengal. So first of all we should know that where is West Bengal in the map. So this red color portion, this is West Bengal in the map of India. And this is the traditional outfit of the people of West Bengal. The northern part of West Bengal is famous for tea gardens. Darjeeling is the northernmost district and is situated in the foothills of the Himalayas. It is famous for its beautiful hill stations and Darjeeling tea. So West Bengal is famous for tea gardens. So Darjeeling is where in the map? I'll show you. So Darjeeling is here in the map. This is the area for Darjeeling. Now let's take a quick recap. First we have discussed about Jammu and Kashmir. It has two capitals. Srinagar is the summer capital and Jammu is the winter capital. Kashmiri, Urdu, Dogri and Pahari, these are the main languages spoken in this state. People, they stay at their homes and they earn by making handicrafts from wood and paper mache. The Vular Lake and the Dal Lake add to the natural beauty of the state. And the places of tourist interest are Srinagar, Pahalgam, Gulmarg, Amarnath Caves and the Vaishno Devi Temple. Next we have discussed about Himachal Pradesh. So here it is Himachal Pradesh. So Shimla is the state capital. Most of the peoples of Himachal Pradesh, they all are farmers only, okay? And the Shimla, Dalhousie, Kullu and Manali, these all are the very beautiful hill stations which the people used to visit. And the languages spoken by the people here are Punjabi, Pahari and Kinnauri. Next we have discussed about Uttarakhand. So here it is Uttarakhand. So Dehradun is the state capital. Mussoorie, Nainital and Ranikhet, these are the popular hill stations. The most of the important occupation of the people of this state is farming. Haridwar, Kedarnath, Badrinath are the very popular religious places and which attracts thousands of Indians. And even the foreigners, they used to come and visit these places. Next we have discussed about Sikkim. So here it is Sikkim. The capital of Sikkim is Gangtok. And the men and the women, they wear very beautiful costumes, and even though they love to wear jewelry which is made up of golden beads. People of this state even belong to 3 tribes. What are they? Lepcha, Bhutia and Nepali. Next we have discussed about West Bengal. Where is West Bengal? Here. This is West Bengal, okay? So the capital of West Bengal is Kolkata. But here we are talking about the northern part. So northern part of West Bengal, it is famous for tea garden. And it is also famous for the very beautiful hills and the Darjeeling tea.